Hello friends, so we have got another exercise today. We will cover simple present and the present continuous. But in simple present we will cover three uses. So far we have seen one is the fixed ideas, no? Yes. Then second is we saw general truth, and then situations fixed, first one. Second is we have got general rules, and there is habitual actions or repeated actions. So these are the three areas of use of the simple present that we have seen. So this exercise will cover all those three plus present continuous. And let's see, use appropriate forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Only 15 sentences, simple as usual. We have got sets of 15. Right, let's start. Here we are. Juniors, seniors, respect. What is that? Juniors respect seniors. So this is a, what is it? A general truth, isn't it? It's a general, it's a fact, general. Things in general we say. So we will say respect. Respect. Then rights by duties, accompany. So you need a passive form, and you can see that is a general truth. Rights are accompanied by. Rights are accompanied by. It's a general truth. Are accompanied. So this general truth. Does he dash live here? You cannot say after does there is no other option but the simple present. So that is, does he live here? Does he live here? And then they plan a trip. They plan a trip. So the only option I think is present continuous. They are planning it. They are planning. They are planning. It is not a general truth. It is not a repeated action. It is not a fixed situation. Nothing of that sort. So that is, they are planning a trip. Don't dash lies. What is it? It is a general statement. Don't tell lies. Don't tell lies. Summer vacation, 1st April every year. So that is something that is fixed. So every year we have got a summer vacation in April. So that is starts. Starts, simple present. Most people love outdoor life. Most people. It's a general fact. Most people. So love. Most people love. Right. A little knowledge dash dangerous thing. Again, a general truth. A little knowledge is. The present form of be is. Youth, the best time of life. Try can be. Again, that's a general truth. Youth is the best time of life. Where does go? Where does he go? Where is he going? Yes, that's also possible. Where is he going or where does he go? Since it's better, I think, does. Does he go or is going? Both are possible. Where is he going? Is going. Both are possible. Some people on the farm now. Very clear, this action going on now, and that is it is present continuous. So he is working. Some people are working, are working. Working on the farm now. In summer, again a general truth, it shines in summer. It shines. Isn't it? And to be on the safe side, again general truth. To be on the safe side, tell the truth. Tell the truth. They often go to the seaside. That is repeated action. Habits. They often go. No man an island. a general truth. So we have got the is. Now mean is and L. So that's done. Full A plus. 100 out of 100. So now you know how to, what do you do? How to distinguish between general truths, then repeated actions, habit, action continuing now, that is present continuous, and a fixed situation. Isn't it? Something that is fixed, like going for holidays and so. So I think it's alright, you are following very nice tutorials. You should start from the tutorial number 1 to this 90, continuous. So you definitely, I bet you will become masters of English. Not doubt about that. Take it from me. Be rest assured. So see you again with another dose in the near future. Till then, bye.